Hello. I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. It is absolutely pouring here in Sydney today. I hope wherever you're watching this video from, you're having better weather. If you are based in Sydney, I hope that by the time this video goes up, it is no longer pouring. We do have a lot happening this week and I'm going to try and take you to as many of these things as possible, provided that they're not cancelled because of the rain. Anyway, I recently came across an easy way to earn some extra cash and gift cards just by sharing your opinion. It's through this site called YouGov that has polls and surveys on topics like entertainment, politics, products, and brands. I can take surveys while I'm waiting for my friends or standing in line or waiting for food to arrive. You accumulate points when you take the survey and then you can redeem these points as cash or as gift cards from places like Amazon and iTunes and Nike, and YouGov paid for my matcha latte for today. So click on the link in my description to learn more information to start making money, and that is the end of this segment. So I'm currently at Tea Journal here in Chatswood. It's actually opposite the post office and it's been open for a while, but I've never had the opportunity to check it out until my friend actually bought one of the cakes to a housewarming one time and I loved it so much. I was like, I have to come. So what I've got is I've got myself a matcha latte. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I've got myself a lychee rose chiffon cake. Okay, I am super excited to try this. So Tea Journal offers a range of different teas, as the name of this store would suggest. There is pu'er, there's black tea, white tea, herbal tea, and then they also have a range of different lattes. But now, I want to show you why I love this so much. This whole cake is so incredibly light. The chiffon is so airy. It's kind of like biting into a cloud, or how I imagine biting into a cloud would feel. And the cream on the outside is so light. You've got taste of lychee. You've got a little bit of a hint of the rose. If you've been here before, let me know what your go-to drink orders are. And if you've tried their cakes before as well, let me know which one's your favorite. I'd love to give that a go, because right now, the rose lychee one, that's my favorite so far. Okay, I have just arrived at Lakemba. We're here for Ramadan Nights and I'm super excited. The last time I came here was 3 years ago in 2019. We tried a lot of different food. We also had some drinks as well, and I cannot wait to get stuck right in. We're at the very beginning of the street. Getting here was not easy. It took me 20 minutes to find a park. It's very crowded. It's very lively. It's all very exciting. So I cannot wait to taste this. I waited in line probably for 20 minutes and we got a fresh one, which was very exciting. Look at this. This is so warm. It's so creamy, so cheesy and gooey. You've got the crunch of the pistachios as well. This is super yummy. It's delicate, it's creamy. Look at this cheese pull. If you do come here, I would definitely recommend that you give this a go. Okay, you know those Nutella crepes that I just showed you? When I bumped into a couple of my viewers, they let me try some of theirs and it was very warm, it was very chocolatey, and if you like Nutella, I think you'll like it. It's like warm chocolate crepes. Right now I'm just trying to navigate through these streets. It's extremely crowded, but I really do want a camel burger, so we'll see whether I'm able to find one and then line up. I think I found the Camel Burgers. All right, we have got ourselves a Camel Burger. I stood in line for like 20 minutes for this. Hang on, I opened it the wrong way. So we have the camel patty. It honestly just looks like a pretty standard burger, to be honest, with your usual condiments. I've actually had camel burgers before. The last time I had it was 3 years ago at this exact location. And the thing is, it tastes very similar to a beef burger. I taste more like the mustard and the tomato sauce and the cheese, more so than the actual flavor of the patty. I had a sugar in it, which I think makes it less bitter. It's super aromatic. It's got a very strong, bittersweet kind of flavor. Okay, this is the last item that we're having for today. If you walk in here, you'll be in it.
Oh wait, oh really? Bye. See ya. See ya. I don't want to be ya. Like and subscribe, don't forget.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, no problem. Bye.
Bye, bye, have a good night. So as I was saying, this is milky, it's a little bit chewy, and you can kind of taste like a little bit of sweetness from the rose water, and then you've got the crunch from the pistachios. See, I like anything with pistachio, so I'm pretty partial to this. Ooh, seasoned soy sauce for seafood. Has anybody tried this? Is this good? If it is, let me know. I'm gonna get that. All right, I am super excited for what we're about to make right now. It's perfect for any occasion, but it's especially great if you're really hungry and you want something really quickly, because you can probably whip this up in less than 15 minutes. Also, I got this entire bag of little baby bok choy for $4. All right, I'm gonna be making high-end taobao, which directly translates as prawn fried with eggs. And I'm gonna put the recipe of this on my website. I'll link it in my description. And I also make like reels on Instagram of various different things, including cooking. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram and also on TikTok. All right, that was very, very quick to make. I didn't actually time myself, but if you try to make this, it takes like, 3 minutes to fry up the prawns, and then less than 2 minutes to really sort of make the eggs and whatnot. And in terms of seasoning, you can add salt, white pepper, and that's pretty much what I add to it. And I've also just made some garlic stir-fried veggies. I used to love this dish as a kid. So good. Let me know what you think if you do try this out, and I've linked the recipe in my description. Okay, we have just arrived in Eastwood. I'm catching up with a friend for dinner, and I haven't seen her this whole year, which is crazy to say because we're like done. A quarter of the year, a quarter of 2022 is already over. How crazy is that? How fast? I have no words for how fast time is just whizzing by. We are heading to a restaurant that I absolutely love here in Eastwood. It's one of my go-to places for Japanese food, and I think the birds are very loud tonight. And I think I've featured this in a few of my videos before. We are heading to Hakuya Sushi Bar. We've got an hour because they're really busy. Okay, so at Hakuya I ordered what I typically order. We've got this special sashimi boat, and there's a whole range of different sashimi. We have oysters, we have scampi, we have tuna, kingfish, salmon, salmon belly. It looks absolutely delicious. I've also got a hot udon. My friend got a scampi miso, and we also have a soft shell crab roll coming. Hey guys, there's a new car park. First 2 hours free, and then afterwards $3. That's pretty good. We're gonna do some quick grocery shopping at Camel 09. Last time I've been, I think I took you guys with me as well, but we're gonna go again. Has anyone tried this? Does it taste like ramen at the restaurant? If it does, let me know. Okay, so at Camel 09, I got this drink, like a pomelo honey drink, and my friend and I, we got these prawn chips. It's like a truffle prawn chips, which really caught my eye, so. Okay, the smell of truffle is quite prominent. You can definitely sense the truffle. This tastes like, you know, your typical prawn crackers with a truffle flavoring. But a truffle flavoring in the sense that, like if you have a grape candy, like it tastes like grape flavoring. Do you know what I mean? I'll still be finishing this though. It's very interesting. And in terms of drinks, ooh, this is very sweet. This is probably a little bit too sweet for me. If it was less sweet, I would love it. All right, that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much, Kim, for your comment last week. I will definitely be checking a lot of these places out and adding them to my list. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I post new videos every week. Check them out if you have time. Leave me a comment. I love to read it. Like this video, it really helps me out, and I will see you in my next video next week. Bye. Okay, here's a little behind the scenes that you don't actually see in the vlogs. So every single time I buy an item of food, I have to find a place to film at. So that's why I went into the supermarket, and now I found a place up here that I could place my camera, but I have to face this way because if I go like this, you can't see my face.